So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to DXY. Now, this is the coin that I have spoken about multiple times. I told you there's a big meaning, big revolution, and a big community building journey ahead of us, but it's going to happen because this comes with real meaning. No, it's been around for a long time, okay? It's been around for like a year, okay? So it's kind of proven itself, especially for these type of coins, you know, a lot of them don't really have any lifespan, and this one is proving and breaking everyone's expectations. So I absolutely love this. Loving how the green candles are starting to form. Love everything that I am seeing right now. And I believe we're going to go so much further. There's so much room for growth. There's so much that's going to be happening. You just need to hold tight. You just need to be ready for what is to come. So looking at the socials, love how, you know, they're always posting every single day, every single time, you know, very strong messages ahead of us, trying to really put this as the solution, as the way to break, inspire. You know, a lot of you are scared that, you know, you're never going to make it financially. Here you have the chance that will break and make everything here. The website is looking amazing. Remember, very strong messages like this is the people's movement, a currency like no other, borderless, unified code of decentralized, unstoppable economic system. So I love how this is all coming together, and we are seeing something that's building up, something that people believe in. People are investing into this. Very strong message. Don't type poor. In fact, make a lot of money, guys. Get out there and make a ton of money. And here we have genuinely, you know, this kind of, you know, breaking our imaginations and taking it to levels that we could have never expected. So really nice. Absolutely love the tokenomics. 0% fees, burnt liquidity, 1 billion supply, you know, and it's only becoming better and bigger and nicer, and it's just developing, and it's all coming together, and the you know, the dots are linking together. So I'm really happy about this, and I believe that this is very high potential. Okay, very high potential. Why is it high potential? Because, like I said, it's the message behind it. It's also the team behind it. We're talking about active, strong, with a vision to go into millions and millions of market cap, bringing exchanges, KOLs, partnerships. This, guys, for any investor that looks at it, will look amazing because it has so much potential to grow. 100x's, 200x's. These are the type of numbers that are possible here. A lot of investors are looking for these numbers. So I absolutely love what I'm seeing. Okay, and all I can say is just be patient. Let the team work itself, but also you can work for your bags by being active on their socials. Like, they have socials, right? And they encourage you guys to come in, because when people see active coins, they see a lot of engagement, reposts, retweets, they join as well. And you may think, well, I'll let others do it. But guys, if you also join in, each person counts. You can also join the Telegram, the TikTok. Like, they are trying to spread as much as possible, and they're doing it as ethically as possible, okay? We're all talking about delayed gratification and no instant gratification. You're not going to open up your wallets and see millions of dollars tomorrow. That's not going to happen. But gradually it'll grow, and you'll remember these moments. And also, I love how they can compare to, you know, what's happening right now with the US economy. So there's a lot of data, a lot of information which can go viral. They can repost. They can really use the socials very well. So watch out, because we are about to go hard. We are about to go far with this, and we're all going to meet at the moon. And this is your way to escape your system, your matrix, whatever you're stuck in. You can get out of it and really do well. So thank you so much. Really do appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.